What's going on, guys? Welcome along to another video. It's Matt with DSR, and yes, you know what video it is. It is yet another giveaway for the channel. And today on the giveaway blocks is this AutoABC's 5-inch Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, touchscreen, navigation, unit, device, whatever you want to call it. This will be the prize for this month's giveaway. As you can see, top right hand corner, I've done a full unbox install video, my thoughts and opinions on it. So if you want to be in a chance to win this, there's only 3 things you need to do. I'm a small channel and I'm trying to grow me to 10,000 subs for 2024. So obviously, number 1 is you're gonna have to subscribe. You need to be a subscriber to the channel to be able to win this unit. Number 2, nice and simple, give us a little thumbs up, like this video. And lastly, number 3 is drop a comment below. After 1 week of this video being live, I will use all the comments below to pick out at random a winner for this unit. Once I've picked a winner on this video, I'll go down to the comments box and I will comment only once onto the winner's comment. So I will not comment on any other one's comment, just the winner. That winner then needs to email me so we can exchange details, and then I can send this out for free. That's right, there is no money exchanging hands. It's as simple as you do those 3 things, like, subscribe and comment, and you get a chance to win this. Probably got to say it, you know, disclaimer, but this unit was sent to me by AutoABC a while ago to review it. I've now done that on the channel, and now it's my turn to give back to you guys. And this is what I'll be doing every month with all the products that I get sent. Once I've tested them and I'm happy, I will then push them out in a giveaway. Well guys, I look forward to doing the winners video for this 5-inch screen. Nothing to say, but until next one, ride safe.